So video hosting is another great feature of Builderall. And basically what it is you're able to upload your videos to the Builderall platform. And instead of hosting your videos on YouTube, Vimeo, or Wistia, you're able to use the Builderall platform. And it just makes it a much more professional experience for your users and customers because they won't see the interface from YouTube or the ads that play through YouTube. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the apps on Builderall platform. Under the app section and design and video, we scroll down to video hosting. And up here, you can upload your video and then create a folder for it. And this is a great way to host your own videos. So let's say you have a video course that you offer. Your customers and users won't see any interface from a third-party video platform, such as YouTube. You're also able to control if they're able to pause or fast forward, or to have the video play at a higher speed. So the Builderall video hosting app is another great feature, and it just allows you to interface with your business and just have a more professional appearance to your users and customers. With that said, if you'd like a 14-day trial to Builderall, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.